Hi guys, welcome to my channel and to today's video. So basically we're going to be learning how to make this leave-in conditioner today. So if this is something you're interested in, kindly stay tuned and make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you are not yet subscribed as well. So the ingredients I'm using are emulsifying wax, stearic acid, cetyl alcohol, my penetrating oil mix, fenugreek powder, glycerin, hibiscus extracts, my herbal extracts, my preservative shea butter, and distilled water. So I begin with the water phase by measuring about 70 grams of distilled water. Then I add about 5 grams of my glycerin, and then I go ahead to add my extract. This is my herbal extract, which is about 6 grams, and then I mix it up to make sure everything in there is mixed. Now before I put in my fenugreek powder, I wanted to make sure that I have hydrated it enough, because fenugreek powder takes quite some time to hydrate. So I just put my fenugreek powder in a different container, just add a little bit of water and mix it up for it to hydrate. Now because ideally you can leave it overnight, but because I'm in a hurry, I'm just doing it immediately, so I just sieve it to get out the larger particles, and then to get the larger particles out, and this is what I have. So this is the water phase, and then I'm just going to put this aside and begin with the oil phase. So I measure about 3 grams of my emulsifying wax, and then go ahead to add the stearic acid. I'm adding just 1 gram, and then I go ahead to also add the cetyl alcohol, 3 grams of the cetyl alcohol, and then I mix it up. These are great waxes that will help to bind the oil phase and water phase together, and they're also moisturizing. So I just go ahead with my oil, and I'm adding my shea butter as well. I'm adding 3 grams of the shea butter, and I added 3 grams of the oil as well. So I decided to add more oils just to increase the oil content. And so after this, I set aside both faces and put them in a water bath for some time for the water phase and the oil phase to warm up, and to warm up so that I can mix both faces together. So now that I have both faces at the same temperature, I go ahead to pour the water phase into a different container. Then I add my oil phase, and then go ahead to use my hand mixer to blend the two together just for it to mix. So I do this for about 3 minutes consistently, and because both faces are hot, I just blend it a little, put it down, and also blend it again, so that everything will be mixed, and then I'll get the thickness and the consistency of the leave-in conditioner. So I kept on mixing it until I got this consistency, which is quite okay. So now it's time to add my hibiscus extract, and this is actually for added color, but hibiscus also provides great benefits for natural hair, and so I added just a little of the extracts and then blended it together. You can see the color coming out, and this is very beautiful, very beautiful. And so I decided to add more extracts because I wanted the color to pop, and this is what I have. So I go ahead to also add my liquid germol plus, which is a preservative, just to preserve this leave-in conditioner. And then I just hand mix it to make sure that the preservative is evenly distributed. So this is the leave-in conditioner. What I do is just to transfer it into my little container, my little bottle, and there you go. I have my leave-in conditioner. This is a very great leave-in conditioner that moisturizes, and you apply it after you shampoo your hair or when you want to moisturize your hair before you seal it in. So guys, this is it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. Do subscribe as well. Bye.